Hello everyone. Have you ever guys asked yourselves how do doctors create or develop a new medicine? Fortunately, we will answer this question in the following tutorial. So, in our tutorial, we are going to study the steps for developing a new medicine. So, developing a new drug requires 4 important steps. Step number 1 is the discovery phase. Step number 2 is the preclinical stage. Step number 3 is the small-scale clinical trial. And step number 4 is the large-scale trial. We are going now to reveal what happens in every step. So, step number 1 is the discovery phase. In this phase or in this stage, doctors identify the appropriate product or compound which is used to cure a certain disease. After that comes the second phase, which is the preclinical stage. In the preclinical stage, the development of a possible new medicine is tested on cells or tissues in the lab. The stage shows if the medicine can get into the cells and have the required effect. Although we take medicines to make us better, all medicines have side effects, causing unintended changes that may be harmful. So testing tries to make sure that harmful side effects are limited. All of this happen in the preclinical stage. When this stage is successful, the new medicine may then be tested on animals to see how it works in a whole body without risk to humans. So, if that stage is also successful, then the medicine will be tested in a small clinical trial or a small number of healthy people or healthy volunteers to check if the medicine is safe and that side effects are small. If that stage was also successful, then the medicine is then used in a large clinical trial on many people who have the disease that the medicine will be used to treat or target. This helps to work out the correct amount or the correct dose to give and to check for different side effects in different people. Only if a new medicine passes all these tests, then the FDA will approve it and doctors will then prescribe it for treating patients. It is important to know that clinical trials do not always go according to the plan. In one case, as you guys can see in the picture, 6 men were injected with a trial leukemia drug called TGN-1412. It caused organ failures and fingers and toes to turn black, some of which had to be amputated.